Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Maytag brand dryer and you're getting a check vent on the display and you're wondering, what is this error? What do I need to do to fix it? This error check vent is a little bit self-explanatory, which is that the dryer needs to vent the humid air, the hot humid air out of the dryer, and if it's unable to vent properly, it will give you this error. So there's a couple things you want to check to make sure that you don't have an issue with the air venting out. The first thing would be the vent itself. You want to get behind and check the vent tube and make sure if it gets smashed or pinched or bent or something like that, then air can't flow out, and then you're going to get this error. Another thing that can happen is that you want to check anywhere where any kind of screen that collects lint or anything like that, and depending on your model, it'll be a little bit different places. You want to just check all those screens and make sure that they're not just so much built up with lint that air can't flow properly. But anyway, that should get rid of your error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.